Pet insurance is one of those things you don't think about until you really need it. Whether it's an unexpected injury or a sudden illness or just the rising costs of vet care, having coverage can help you avoid paying thousands of dollars out of pocket. But with so many options available, choosing the right pet insurance can feel really overwhelming. Lemonade Pet Insurance is one of the newer players in the space, offering a digital-first approach that promises fast claims processing, customizable coverage, and affordable pricing. And unlike traditional insurance providers, Lemonade uses AI to automate much of the process, making it super easy to file claims and get reimbursed quickly. But is it actually a good choice for pet owners? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how Lemonade Pet Insurance works, its key features, the pros and cons, and how it compares in the market. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of whether it's the right fit for you and your pet. So first off, what is Lemonade Pet Insurance? Lemonade is a tech-driven insurance company that offers home, renters, life, and pet insurance. It stands out for its fully digital experience, which just allows users to manage everything through an easy-to-use mobile app. Unlike traditional insurance companies that rely on paperwork and long processing times, Lemonade uses artificial intelligence to handle claims, customer support, and policy management. Their pet insurance is designed to help cover unexpected medical expenses, giving pet owners peace of mind when it comes to accidents, illnesses, and emergency care. The coverage is highly customizable, which allows you to choose your reimbursement percentage, deductible, and annual coverage limit to fit your budget and needs. One of Lemonade's unique aspects is its Give Back program, which donates leftover premium money to charities chosen by policyholders. So instead of keeping the unused funds as profit, Lemonade allocates them to causes like animal welfare, environmental protection, and social justice initiatives. Now that we've covered the basics, let's take a deeper look at the key features that make Lemonade different from other pet insurance providers. First off, the customizable cover options. Lemonade gives pet owners the flexibility to adjust their reimbursement rate, annual rate, and deductible, which helps control monthly premium costs. You can select 70, 80, or 90% reimbursement rate, meaning that after you meet your deductible, Lemonade will cover that percentage of your vet bills. So which one should you choose? If you're someone who prefers lower monthly payments and is comfortable covering more out-of-pocket costs when needed, the 70% reimbursement rate might be a good fit. This is also great if you have a lower risk pet, maybe an older, calmer dog who doesn't get into much trouble. If you want a balance between affordability and solid coverage, 80% reimbursement is a great middle ground. This works well for the average pet owner who wants peace of mind without breaking the bank. But on the other hand, if you're an overly cautious human or have a more wild, accident-prone pup, think a high-energy breed that loves adventure and mischief. That 90% reimbursement rate gives you the highest coverage. It's the best choice if you want to minimize out-of-pocket costs for unexpected vet bills. Whichever option you choose, having pet insurance ensures you're prepared for the unexpected. Their annual coverage limits range from $5,000 to $100,000, which allows you to choose a plan that fits your financial situation. The deductible options typically range from $100 to $500, and the lower your deductible, the higher your monthly premium will be. Another key feature is the fast AI-powered claims processing, which is one of my favorites. I personally have Lemonade insurance for my pet. I love how easy it is to talk to the AI, essentially. They really process claims so fast, and it's super easy to use on your phone. But like I said, it's just faster for reimbursement compared to traditional pet insurance providers, and the system is just designed to approve straightforward claims in minutes, meaning you don't have to wait days or weeks for reimbursement. But for more complex claims, Lemonade's team will step in to review, of course, and review them manually. So while this can take a bit longer, it's still typically faster than the regular industry average. Next is the coverage for accidents and illnesses. The standard Lemonade pet insurance plan covers a wide range of unexpected medical issues, including accidents like broken bones, poisoning or injuries, or illnesses like infections, digestive issues, respiratory problems, or chronic conditions like diabetes, cancer, arthritis, as well as diagnostic testing like blood work, x-rays, or MRI. It also covers emergency surgeries and hospitalizations. Prescription medications, routine care, and preventative treatments are not included in the standard plan, but you can add wellness coverage for an extra cost. Next is the optional wellness plan, like I just mentioned. Lemonade offers an optional wellness package that cover routine care expenses, including annual checkups, vaccines, flea, tick, and heartworm prevention, dental cleanings, blood work. While this add-on increases your monthly premium, it can be a good option if you want help covering preventative care and keeping your pet healthy long-term. Next is the multi-policy discount. If you already have home, renters, or life insurance with Lemonade, you can bundle your pet insurance for a discount. This makes it a super convenient option for existing Lemonade customers looking to save on multiple policies. And lastly, the Give Back program. So unlike traditional insurance companies that keep leftover premium premium money as profit, Lemonade donates a portion of unused funds to charity. So policyholders can select from a list of organizations, and Lemonade will actually donate to those causes. Now that we've wrapped up the core features, let's go over some of the pros and cons of Lemonade Pet Insurance. First, its claims process is significantly faster than most traditional pet insurers. The AI-driven system can approve many claims in minutes, which means less waiting for reimbursements. Also, pricing is often more affordable than competitors, especially for younger pets. Lemonade allows you to customize coverage options so you can adjust your reimbursement rate, deductible, and annual limits to match your budget. Another benefit is the easy-to-use mobile app, which makes managing your policy, submitting claims, and tracking reimbursements super simple. Many users appreciate the convenience of handling everything digitally, myself included. The multi-policy discount is another huge plus for those who already use Lemonade for home or renter's insurance. So bundling these policies can help reduce the cost while keeping everything under one provider. Finally, Lemonade's Give Back program just sets it apart from other insurers by donating a portion of unclaimed funds to charity, making it a socially responsible choice. Now that we've covered the pros, let's go over some of the cons. One limitation is that they're not available in every single state, so you need to make sure that it's actually covered where you live. And like most pet insurance providers, Lemonade does not cover pre-existing conditions, meaning any health issue diagnosed before enrolling will not be eligible for coverage. Another con is the wellness plan costs extra, so if you want coverage for routine care like vaccines or dental cleanings, you'll need to pay an additional monthly fee. Unlike some competitors, Lemonade does not offer a 24/7 vet helpline, which can be a helpful feature for pet owners who want professional advice before visiting a vet. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The pricing does depend on a lot of different things like your pet's age, the breed, the location, and just different coverage options you select. Plans can typically start at a lower monthly cost for younger pets and increase as your pet ages. Since rates vary, the best way to find out is to use Lemonade's quote tool, which you can access through the link in the description below. So once you click our link in the description below, you'll want to go ahead and click pet and then check our prices, and we'll just use my dog as an example. So nope, unless you already do have an account, which I do, but we're just, for example's sake, gonna go through it like I don't. So you'll type in your first and last name. Pet's name is Luna. She's literally in the back right now. And then she's a dog. And then enter in your address. If she's a boy or girl, she is 4 years. She is a golden retriever. Is Luna? Yep. So make sure you say if it's your first pet. Do you have any dogs or cats living with you? Nope. Then you'll just add in your email and your date of birth and then just agree. Then it will take you through the rest of the selecting the plan options and getting your actual quote based on, again, your pet's age, their breed, and then the different options you want to select. Like if you wanted to add the wellness or whatever percentage deductible you wanted to go with. So is it the right fit for you? Lemonade Pet Insurance is a great option if you're looking for an affordable tech-driven pet insurance provider with a fast claims process. The customizable plans, AI-powered system, and ease of use make it an amazing choice for pet owners who want a no-hassle experience. However, if you need coverage for pre-existing conditions, a wellness plan included in the base price, or 24/7 vet support, you may want to compare with other providers before making a decision. And like I said, I personally have Lemonade Pet Insurance, and I absolutely love how easy it is, which is really important to me. So if you want to check them out, make sure you use our link in the description below. That wraps up this review of Lemonade Pet Insurance. If you've used it like I have, I'd love to hear what your personal opinion has been working with them. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.